Alrighty, so we made it back to the shop, and oh, it looks like my R32 GTR is sitting right here. You know why? Because it is finally just about complete. The thing is put together now. Oh, look at these nice EBC brakes right in there. As you can see, looking beautiful. EBC brakes. Car is looking great. Still sitting in this nice, beautiful low stance. Haven't looked at this thing in forever. Transmission still needs to go back together. The shifter stuff needs to go back together. All good, but hey, it's a start. But man, this thing, I haven't seen it in forever. Look at this thing. Let's look up front. Obviously, the front end is not on just yet. A little bit more work to go. But as you can see, my RB26 is back all together. All together. Big old single turbo sitting right there. You know, there's still a few more little things to get buttoned up. Of course, it's not completely done, but it is almost there. It is getting there. This thing is looking great. And oh my goodness, man. I am pretty pumped on how this thing is turning out. It is getting to where it needs to be. Fix whatever's leaking right there. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Ooh, my beautiful Toyo radiator. Hopefully this thing keeps it nice and cool. I got my Plasma intercooler up front, looking absolutely amazing. That thing should keep this turbo nice and cool, motor nice and cool. Big old Borg Warner 8374 single turbo. It's gonna be great. Ultra Racing, thank you so much for the strut brace and all the rest of the bracing kit. Man, I haven't seen this car sitting on the ground in a while. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It is coming together, finally. It's coming together. All right, so I'm gonna start up the motor real quick. Hopefully the battery isn't like drained right now. Oh shit. Hopefully it's not in gear. I don't think it is. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, all right, clutch in, just in case. All right. All right. Interesting. It turns on. That's all good. The battery is not drained. It's probably been charged. The thing sounds not too crazy rowdy right now. This actually sounds pretty calm. It sounds really calm. Everything's spinning. My AC's not all connected yet. We'll get that all figured out, especially since it's starting to get warm now. Turbo turning. It fires up. It works. I don't see anything crazy leaking. I don't think so, at least. We'll find out. I see that little thing. That might have been from when they were putting some stuff together, but yeah, I mean, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds like it's all working. No weird sounds. It's like idling like normal. Like it's not even, it used to be way more choppy. That's interesting. It used to be way more choppy than this. That is very interesting. Huh. Temperatures look fine. There's some E85 still in it. This is, wow. Now I just need it to work like this all the time. But yeah. Wow, I'm liking this. I'm liking it. Oh, I guess I don't really have my my little open header thing, my button. I don't even know where it's at. Actually, let's see. I don't even know if he has it hooked up or not. Because I don't even know where I had a little remote for it, and I don't know where that's at. I'll have to ask him. My builder. Yeah. Man, I'm excited.